Land use refers to the human activities and purposes for which land is utilized or developed. It involves the allocation and management of land resources for various purposes, such as residential, commercial, industrial, agricultural, recreational, and conservation purposes. Land use planning is an essential process undertaken by governments, organizations, and communities to determine the most appropriate use of land based on social, economic, and environmental considerations. Here are some common types of land use. Residential, land used for housing, including single-family homes, apartment buildings, and condominiums. Commercial, land used for business activities, such as office buildings, retail stores, shopping centers, and hotels. Industrial, land used for manufacturing, warehousing, and other industrial activities. This can include factories, industrial parks, and distribution centers. Agricultural, land used for farming, cultivation of crops, and raising livestock. It includes crop fields, orchards, vineyards, and livestock farms. Recreational, land used for recreational purposes, such as parks, playgrounds, sports fields, and golf courses. It also includes open spaces and nature reserves. Conservation, land set aside for the protection of natural resources, biodiversity, and ecosystems. This can include national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and protected areas. Infrastructure, land used for transportation, utilities, and public facilities. This includes roads, highways, railways, airports, power plants, and water treatment plants. Institutional, land used for public and community purposes, such as schools, hospitals, government buildings, and religious institutions. Mixed use, land that combines two or more types of land uses within the same area. It aims to create vibrant and sustainable communities by integrating residential, commercial, and recreational activities. Land use decisions have significant implications for urban development, environmental conservation, and the overall well-being of communities. Effective land use planning considers factors such as population growth, economic development, environmental sustainability, and social equity to ensure the optimal allocation of land resources.